My current role at NAMSA is leading the market research and insights team and also growing the business and complement actually the clinical services that NAMSA already has and be a full partner for MedTech and IVD companies along the road from product development to product launch and after the launch as well. Market insights and market research is crucial to our clients. Today it's not only important that you build a good product, but also that you bring it to the market with the right value proposition at the right price. Product value drivers is actually one of the most important parts in the service that we deliver. The economic value proposition and the overall value proposition needs to be right, otherwise the product will never be successful. So in a lot of the projects that we do, these are elements that come back. Looking at what is the value proposition, what are drivers and barriers in the market, and at what price are people willing to accept a potential solution. I think every company that launches a product should do this, and more of our clients are realizing that and do elaborate work with us. The marketing track actually starts very early. Once you have your concept, your product ID, we test that in the market to see if there is appetite for that. Then you have the whole development. When the product is clinically developed, there are several points where we intervene as well. Again, fine-tuning the concept, and the closer you come to the actual launch, our services typically focus on the launch tactics, like what would be the best price, what is the best segment to enter, what's the best message, how well will it resonate. So targeting, positioning, pricing, we typically do in like the pre-launch track. Post-launch, the majority of the work we do has to do with what we would call the customer experience. And the customer can be the hospital or the physician, but can also be the patient. So we look at the customer journey, we look at the patient journey, and we actually look at the experience the client has. It can be a customer satisfaction study, but it can also be like a repositioning, or when there are like product recalls, what's the impact of that. So more and more clinical teams realize that marketing is crucial, and obviously the marketing teams are realizing that the clinical is crucial, and they talk to each other. They're not siloed anymore as they used to be, which is, I think, one of the reasons why we teamed up with NAMSA for our further growth. We see, for instance, an increase in what we would call usability testing and real-life observational research, really observing patients, physicians, people in the hospital, how they interact with the devices or in the lab with the IVD products. And based on that, we can really give them good advice on how to improve. So it not only improves the customer experience, but also the patient outcome will be improved. What differentiates NAMSA from the competition is the fact, particularly for the marketing research services, is that all of our consultants come out of the industry. They have what I would call real-life experience. They have launched products, they work in global marketing teams, so they really know what to do with the data that we collect. So based on that, they give pragmatic advice so that our clients can be successful in their business. NAMSA's approach to partnering with clients is that we really want to be an extension of the client. We are not like a supplier or a vendor. No, we are part of their team. So we really collaborate with them to get the best potential outcome of each project that we do, and we strive for total customer satisfaction so that when something is not right, we fix it, no questions asked. The number one thing that I want the clients to feel once they partnered with us is that they're totally satisfied. So the project needs to be on time, needs to be within budget, the outcomes need to be actionable so that they really can act upon it and become successful in their market.